Welcome to episode 9 of On the Way Up. Here I am at the vehicle maintenance shop with the vehicle maintenance manager, Taylor Everett. Good morning, Taylor.
Good morning, Delcy.
Thank you so much for taking time to talk to us. There's not a lot of time.
Nope.
So you are a very, very busy man. You not only run this vehicle maintenance shop, just tell us about what kind of vehicles you are in charge of on the mountain.
From memory, 8 snowcats, 14 snowmobiles, 17 trucks, 7 pieces of heavy equipment, a bunch of small engines. Yeah, entropy everywhere.
Yeah, that's a lot. From, I don't know if you missed any.
Probably.
Did that heavy equipment include the 2 new cranes that we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pieces of heavy equipment.
9 pieces of heavy equipment. I thought you might be missing a couple here and there. So, does it change from summer to winter with the different responsibilities that you have with these vehicles?
In a big picture, no. It's still, fixing, repairing, trying preventative maintenancing. But the machines I work on in the summertime do not include the snowcats.
Right.
Generally.
Right.
So there's much more wheeled vehicle type things in the summer, and in the winter it's much more cat focused. Most of our time is spent on snowcats in the wintertime because they're so critical.
Right, right.
And we repair trucks and heavy equipment as necessary.
Right, and this mountain environment is not easy on vehicles.
No, this mountain needs trucks.
But as you can see, it's not quite winter yet. It's on its way, and there's already a cat in here and tracks in the next bay, so it's coming.
Oh yeah.
But we're still, working on the new lift install, and so we still have vehicles up and down. Everything's outfitted with chains.
Yeah.
So
without that lift, none of the other things matter. So
exactly. So top priority. Taylor, tell me just a little bit about what it means to be part of the Mission Ridge team.
We don't exist in a vacuum apart from each other. There are aspects of every individual and every department that impact or at least affect every other individual in every department. So we have to work together. If we don't, we won't achieve what we need to achieve.
Exactly. Yeah, it's huge. We are a little city up here.
That's a pretty good analogy. We have waste management. We've got maintenance services. We've got road crew. We are a little city.
Right, and the whole goal is to create just this wonderful winter playground.
Yeah.
For people to come and have lives full of joy, community, exploration, all of those things.
That's the one.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much for talking with us, Taylor.
Yeah, you bet.
We appreciate it. Now you get better.
I appreciate you.
You better get back to work.
Yeah, I've got lots to do. Okay.
And just when you thought we'd shown you the last of the rebar, here we are at the bottom terminal, finishing up the tower foundations, the lift-off station infrastructure, and lack of daylight or lots of snow and even rain. Nothing can stop this hardworking team from making progress on this lift install. And right next to it, we finally get to see the inside of the garage. This labyrinth of rails will eventually house over 100 bubble chairs, protecting them from the elements every single night. I think you would all agree that this upper terminal is totally taking shape. You can almost picture yourself with your skis or your board on, coming right in and getting off the lift, ready for another awesome day at the Ridge.
Hey guys, my name's Joey Homan. I work in the parking department, and I've been here at Mission Ridge for 1 full season. And what I've been working on this summer is moving a lot of dirt, that's for sure. Cleaning up these new parts that we got, getting painted and making them all nice and pretty.
My name's Keith Avey. I'm in lift ops. Right now I'm driving the water truck for Mission Ridge and whatever else they really need me to do.
My name is Billy Van Ruff. I've worked at Mission Ridge for almost 3 years. I work for the lift maintenance department year-round, full-time. The coolest thing I've seen this summer was John Melby cutting the haul rope on, I believe it was tower 17 or 18 with the torch. That was pretty fun.
The coolest thing I've seen, probably the view from the top of the towers. Never climbed towers before.
The coolest thing I've seen up here this summer is probably everybody getting together and just trying to get this thing done. Working all summer, working hard, and trying to get a new chair in.
Hey there! Here I am sitting on the bubble chair with my buddy Bruce, talking about all the exciting things happening here at Mission Ridge. Hopefully we'll start snowmaking in just a few days, weather permitting. Our target opening date is November 27th, Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. And our goal is to get Chair 2 up and running by the Christmas holiday. What's that? Oh, he said I should be done talking now. I guess that's all I've got for you for episode 9. Join us next time on the Way Up.